How to log in into JetBlue Credit Card. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in JetBlue Credit Card login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, JetBlue Card, Barclays, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. For travelers who regularly fly with JetBlue, the JetBlue Plus card can definitely be worth it. In addition to a valuable sign-up bonus and a strong earning rate, cardholders also get free check back per flight, save 50% on in-flight food and beverage purchases, and can pool points with friends and family members. Now type in your credentials over here. Firstly, type in your username. Type in your password. If you want to remember your username, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into JetBlue Credit Card. If you haven't created your account yet, you can use this option, sign up for online access and create your account. So this was all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.